Yes, good day, good day. So, our June theme is going to be Summer of Simplicity, ground, breathe, and be. And so, we'll be slowing down, we'll be simplifying, we'll be returning to the essentials, right? Breath, body, presence. And so each practice will support us with that gentle grounding, inner ease, mindful awareness, because we will be doing Vipassana on Wednesdays and loving kindness on Fridays. So as we're moving into the summer with our practice, and certainly it's a great way to keep going. You have to keep that meditation practice going, even when it's beautiful summer because we still need that groundedness. We really need that. So today's meditation, we're grounding the breath, and this is a shorter meditation. So Mondays will be a little bit shorter for the summer. So if you will, go ahead, find a comfortable position, and we'll get started here in just a moment. So as we begin this new month together, let's return to what's simple and true. That is this moment, this breath, this body. So allow your eyes to gently close if that feels comfortable, or you can lower your gaze a few feet in front of you and let yourself arrive here fully. Feel the support beneath you. Feel yourself held. To take a moment to scan your body, notice the points of contact. Your feet on the floor, your seat on the cushion or chair, your hands resting in your lap. And without needing to change anything, just become aware. A soft presence, a quiet noticing. And now bring your attention to the breath. Where do you feel it most clearly today? The nose, the chest, or the belly? And as you notice this, just gently let your awareness rest there. Feel the inhale rise and the exhale fall. There's nowhere else to be. This breath is enough. This moment is enough. Begin to feel how each breath connects you to the earth beneath you. Each inhale brings nourishment. Each exhale releases what you no longer need. You might imagine roots gently growing from your body into the earth, strong, steady, supportive. And with every breath, you are grounding. With every breath, you are settling. And now soften your effort. Allow the breath to simply move through you. Feel the quiet that's always here underneath the noise. Let your body be still. Let your mind be spacious. Let your breath be enough. As we close, gently begin to bring your attention back to your breath with a nice, deep grounding breath. Notice how your body feels after resting in presence. Gently begin to bring movement to your fingers and toes. One more nice breath. And as you exhale, carry this simplicity with you into your day. And thank you, friends, for meditating with me today. So glad you were here. Have a lovely day. Take care.